Good morning students. Welcome to the computer class. Students, today we are going to discuss program in Java and the program is to calculate the tax for a taxable income of rupees 4,10,000 if the tax rate is fixed at 3.2%. Now let's start the program. I'm opening the BlueJ. Here, double click on the BlueJ icon. Create a new project and class in BlueJ. My new project is created. Now I'm going to create new class for the new program. Like the program is taxable income. I'm giving name tax. Then click on OK. Now new class is created. Double click on it for starting your work. Delete the instructions and now let's start the program. Public class text. Now curly braces, then public static void main. In a bracket I am writing string args. Now again curly braces will start. Now we will declare the income of the person. Int income equal to 4,10,000. Then semicolon. Then enter. We will find out the tax rate on this income. So the fixed tax rate that they have given in a program is equal to 3.2. So students, you can see here I have not declared the tax rate variable. So we will declare it with the double data type because our value is in decimal point. So we will take double data type. So I have taken double tax rate equal to 3.2. Firstly, we will solve it. Tax rate equal to 3.2 divided by 100, then semicolon. So students, here in a question they have given in percentage form, but we can't write the value in this form in a program. So we will convert it into normal digits firstly. That's why we are dividing it with 100 because when we convert percentage into normal value, so we have to divide that value by 100. That's why here I have written 100. Now the next thing is to calculate the total tax. So here I am writing double total tax equal to tax rate into income, semicolon. Then we will display the output. Then the tax on the income is, this line is for the reference of the answer. So you can write it in a short form also. Now the answer is in total tax. Close the bracket, semicolon, enter. Now you have to compile your program. Compile it. No syntax error. Now I'm going to run it. Right click on the particular class icon, void main, then OK. So students, the tax rate on the income is 13,120. Hope you understood this program. Revise this program and do the practice practically for the better understanding. Thank you.